And the last one is to know the divisibility rule of 11. This is new concept for you and very important also. So pay attention carefully towards this question, okay? Towards this rule. The rule is a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. I'll tell you. You see, suppose any number I'm giving you. Take a number like this. 2, 4, 3, 7, 5. Okay. One number I have taken. This, you consider this as any one number. 2, 4, 3, 5, 7. You have to say, in this number, is 11 the factor or is this number divisible by 11? For this, you have to do the sum of odd places. Okay, sum of odd places. Now, what are odd places? You know, odd places means first place number, third place number, fifth place number, seventh place number, ninth place number. All these numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all these numbers are known as odd places. Okay, so that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. First of all, we will do the sum of odd places. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 and 5, 10. Odd places, what sum we are getting? 10. Then we take the sum of even places. What are even places here? Second, fourth, sixth, eighth, 10th, 12th, all these are even places. That is 4 plus 7, that is 11. Are you getting my point? So in any of the given number, to say it is divisible by 11, we take the odd places sum, we take the even places sum. Okay, now that odd places sum and the even places sum, we find the difference. Odd and even places, whatever answer is coming, we will find the difference. Okay. If the difference is coming 0 or it is coming any number which is divisible in the table of 11, 0 or 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, all these numbers are coming. That time, yes, it is divisible by 11. And when 0 and the 11 table numbers are not coming, like here it is coming 1, so that time it is not divisible by 11. Mean this 2, 4, 3, 7, 5, this number is not divisible by 11. 11 is not the factor of this given number. I hope my point is clear to you. For any number to say 11 as its factor, first of all, we take the sum of odd places. What are odd places? First, third, fifth, seventh, ninth, 11th, all these places numbers are known as odd places. Then what are even places? Second, fourth, all these places are even places. Both the numbers we will find the difference. Both the number we will do subtraction. After subtracting, the answer which we get, that answer should be 0 or it should be that number which is coming in the table of 11. If this two difference would have been 11, this two difference would have been 22, 33. That time it would be yes. Okay, otherwise no. Clear? So rule for 11, you can see from here. You will take the odd digits, you will take the even digits. Then you will find the difference, and after finding the difference, you will say it is not divisible by 11 or divisible by 11.